All right, this is the package I've been waiting for that I'm super excited about, and came over from Czechoslovakia. Then you got this second layer here in the box, which has tank stuff for the tank, fuel line stuff. You got another air filter. That's the tank underneath there. These are all parts for. So this little piece of carbon fiber, that'll go right here. That's the hole for the tank. See how that works? Pretty nice. And then this is part of the air box. So, and then this part of the tank, this piece hooks to the fuel pump to splice in the tank, which you can see right here. All right, yeah, there's the tank. So that's gonna go right there to get rid of that big old air box. Take that out, and we're gonna get another 1.5 gallons. All right, just a little progress update. We getting going here, getting close to getting the air box out. I had to drain all the gas. They said run it empty, and I had just filled it, so it didn't work out well. But we got her all drained out. Leaked a little bit, but yeah, we're just getting ready to try to get this air box out of here. So we got all the bolts off and the frame off, and we're just gonna disconnect it and pull it out of there. All right, we got her out. Got the big old air box out of there. So you can see it right here. And the tank, which is right here, it's going to go right in there. So it'll be awesome. Okay, we took a break, but back at it. And we got the tank in there now. We're pretty much done. We're just going to have to put this thing back together. But hard to see because I put the mud flap on. But you can see underneath right there is where you extend onto the fuel pump, and you tie into gas right there. So tie in there and run your fuel line, petcock, and up and in, and underneath the tank there is where the fuel line ties in, and then you've got this new supposed to be help the bike breathe a lot better, opposed to the old air box. Big huge air box that you can see there. So at any rate, get all the plastic and everything put back on, and we'll probably tackle the fairing and stuff tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. All right, that's the finished product, and you can hardly see there's a tank in there, extra tank under the seat. But there you go, and turned out super nice. So get another 1.5 gallons right in the front there, and you just control it there. You can just leave it open with the petcock, but that's how it works. So anyway, super cool, super glad to have this extra fuel on board, and we'll like I said, we'll tackle the fairing tomorrow.